What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video on Mr. Junior Dev. I just want to quickly this video is about a quick update on the cryptocurrency market. And I know for the past week or so, cryptocurrencies have been way down. But there's some potential in some coins that I'd like you guys to have a look at. This is just advice. This is not recommended financial advice. It's up to you. You do what you want to do. It's obviously your choice. So, all right, I'm gonna quickly head over to Twitter. Head over to my Twitter feed. I just want to quickly show you something that was tweeted onto the feed. Not mistaken, it was Baby Flocky Billionaire. I've spoken about this cryptocurrency beforehand. It's been around for quite some time now, and it's actually gaining a lot in popularity. I'm not just saying that because I own some of that crypto. There are many reasons behind it. So if I'm just gonna do a quick search, I'm sure I'll find it. Baby Flocky Billionaire. Yeah, right here. Okay, so they came out with a couple of tweets today, quite a few. 16 Jan, we are number 1 on CMC again. I'll bank this week. Okay. All-time high soon, 1,000 times Flocky. Low cap gems, Flocky, you name it. Hashtag everything. So apparently they're busy with the token burn. If I'm not mistaken, that's 5 trillion. Baby Flocky Billionaire tokens were burned from our 7% buy tax burn wallet. Okay, so that's from the wallet. But there's another one here. It says in 24 hours, we will be burning 50%. 50%, guys. 50% of the total tokens in our burn wallet now reached 10 trillion accumulated over the past few days with 7% buy tax. So they're going to burn 50% of the supply. That's really going to push up the coin. That cryptocurrency is going to rocket. I'm telling you now. I own some coins in Baby Flocky in Baby Flocky Billionaire. I've got some cryptocurrency in that token. I've also got in Darjeeling Mars. We can quickly have a look. How's it been doing? I'm not even sure. Darjeeling. You go to Coin Market Cap. Oh, let's have a look on CoinGecko. It's doing very well. Yeah, it's up 16% today. Yeah, 16%. Let's head over to Coin Market Cap. Yeah, right here. Yeah, it's 17%. Wow, phenomenal. Darjeeling Mars just holds its ground. It keeps on rising, Same as Baby Dodge. I mean, everyone. If you don't have Baby Dodge, I'm sorry, guys. Then you're out. You're out. This is your last chance. Buy Baby Dodge. Buy Baby Dodge. I'm telling you now. This is your last chance. These chances don't come that often. All the rest of the coins are scam coins, I'm telling you now. Buy Baby Dodge. It's up today, not by much. But wait. If we have a look at the 1 month chart, check. The whole month it's just going up, it's rising. This is 3 months. Took a nice dip, and then it rose quite substantially. But I'm telling you now, it's going to keep on rising. It's going to keep on rising. Watch. This is a year, so yeah, there's stability. You can see there's a floor, there's stability. There's no whales there. Maybe there are a few whales, but I mean, not a lot of them. They're not dominating the total supply, or 70-80% of the supply. That's what I mean, where they can manipulate the coin. Maybe they control 20% or 30% of the supply. So if one big whale pulls out, you're not really going to feel it. Well, the market's not really going to feel it. So then the smaller investors aren't as much at risk. So yeah, another thing about baby Dogecoin, they pay you to hold. So every time someone else buys baby Dogecoin, they add some baby Dogecoin crypto to your wallet. So basically, you get a commission out of just holding the coin. You get rewarded for just holding. And yeah, they've also they're also doing supply burns, just like Baby Flocky Billionaire. And yeah, I think there's a lot of potential in this cryptocurrency, especially with Elon Musk's backing, definitely. And the other thing is, it's also just been listed on Binance. Not only on Binance, on Coinbase as well. So numerous cryptocurrencies, numerous cryptocurrency exchanges. So I think soon they're going to list it on Robinhood, if I'm not mistaken. So guys, yeah, you're missing out if you don't own Baby Doge. I said already 7-8 months back. I already said buy Baby Doge, buy Doge Elon Musk. You're gonna be alright. Flocky Billionaire, that's just taking a chance. That's a gamble. That one's a gamble. But Baby Doge is not a gamble. That's the next Shiba Inu. I'm telling you now. That's the cryptocurrency for mass adoption. But we never know, things can change. So let's check out what's happening on my TikTok thread. I've got TikTok now, guys. So yeah, I've got to keep in the game. Oh, my TikTok page is absolutely exploding. Check this video here. Code snippets. Yeah, it's already got 11.5k views, 11,500 views, and I posted it yesterday or the day before. I'm not sure, but I mean 2 days, 11,500 views. That's impressive. There's another one, 5,500, 4,000. Yeah, my TikTok is blowing up. It's great, fantastic, so awesome. My YouTube channel is a bit dead today. I think it's because I haven't posted for the past 2 days. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly show you guys my website. I'm super excited about this, MrJuniorDev.com, eh? You guys should come have a look. It's not 100% complete, but yeah, it's in the pipeline. As you can see, I've added some functionality, coded it up. Join our free trial. Get started today before this once in a lifetime opportunity expires. Yeah, you guys are gonna learn how to build real projects. Real projects, like the kind of projects that they use at real companies. The kind of companies like Google, Facebook, Yahoo, you name it, Microsoft, these kind of companies. But don't worry, guys, I'll come with the projects. I'm gonna come with the apps. I'm gonna start slowly. The weather app, chess app, I'm gonna slowly release them. I'm at the moment I'm busy with the CS50, so yeah, I'm going over CS50 again, and yeah, just to get into the flow of things. Just to get into the flow of things. I want to know my stuff. I want to know, you know, I want to know everything. I don't want to miss any details. Yeah, and we know out of all the languages, that, in my opinion, like I think JavaScript, Python are the easier languages to learn. Well, HTML you don't call that a language. CSS, JavaScript, and Python, in my opinion, they are the easiest languages. And okay, maybe R programming, but look, C and C++ is the hardest for me. Those are really tough languages. Yeah, those are tough languages. So yeah, guys. All right, that was just a quick cryptocurrency update. And check out the website. I hope you guys like it. Check out the hover over the button, hover transition. Pretty cool, eh? There's the pop-ups, some videos here. Yeah, here's a little bio of myself. Yeah, pretty cool, pretty cool. I just set up the payment, the payments. You can pay through PayPal, and yeah, that's all set up, so it works. But I just need to bring up my courses and yeah, load them up. And then yeah, some courses will be for free, for especially for new viewers to my channel or newbies to the website. Like if they subscribe to my channel, then they'll get a course for free. So I think that's pretty awesome. I think a lot of people will sign up then. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, this was just a quick update. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Thanks for watching.